So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. So, we will be discussing range and Marapat si Macalindao Jr. and I'll be the first presenter. So, first, let us define range. In statistics, the range is a measure of dispersion that shows the extent of variation in a data set. So, basically speaking, ang range is gina-measure na yung dispersion or yung agwat or pinapakita na yung agwat or dispersion ng isang data set. So, it is calculated by subtracting the minimum value from the maximum value. So, ang gagawin lang is i-identify mo yung maximum value or pinakamalaking value or number sa isang dataset at i-subtract mo si minimum value. So, yun lang. Huwag natin pahirapan yung sarili natin. So, the examples will be discussed by my group mates.
So, good noon everyone, I'm Alimama Dirampatun and I'm going to discuss or explain furthermore about the range or how to get it. So, example number 1 is about academic context. Suppose a professor records the score of 10 students on an exam. The scores are 45, 50, 55, 60, 70, 73, 75, 90, and 95. So, kailangan mo natin kunin is yung maximum or yung pinakamalaking number sa scores na binigay, which is 95. And after that is kunin naman ho natin is yung minimum or yung pinakamaliit na number sa kanila, which is 45. To get the range is kailangan ho natin i-minus yung dalawa. So, minus natin yung maximum tsaka yung minimum. So, 95 minus 45 equals to 50. So, this means there is a 50-point spread in an exam scores, indicating wide variation in performance.
Good day everyone, I am Nurhanisa Alimama. So in continuation for the example of the range, we have here the example number 2, which is the height of student. So the data we collect is the 150, 160, 165, 155, 170, 158, and 162. So first is we have to find the maximum heights of the student. So we have here the 170 and the minimum height of student is the 150. So we should follow the formula of the range, which is the maximum subtract by the minimum, which is the 170 minus 150. It equal to 20 centimeter. So therefore, the tallest and the shortest students differ in height by 20 centimeters. So that's all. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My assigned topic was the example number 3. It was a daily website visitors. Now let's proceed to the interpretation. The number of daily visitors fluctuated by up to 170 over the week. Now we can get the 170 to starting from getting the minimum visitors. Now we can start. We can see that there is a 320, 410, 390, 280, 450, 365, and 400. We can get the minimum visitors to like as you can see, there is a smaller number which is the 280 and the maximum numbers is the 450, and that will become the range, and 450 minus 280 is equal to 170. That's why we get the 170 daily visitors fluctuated by up to 170 over the week, and that was the final answer. And that's all. Thank you, ma'am.
So, thank you for watching. That would be all.